You're standing in the grocery store aisle, comparing prices. The organic apples look perfect, but you grab the cheaper ones and instantly feel a wave of guilt. Moms often swap coupon tips, budgeting apps, and ways to save. But what we rarely talk about are the quiet money conversations happening in our own minds every single day. We're told money means freedom. But for many moms, money feels more like stress, guilt, and sacrifice, always having to choose what to give up. We've been trained to stretch every dollar, cut every coupon, and make do. But no one taught us how the words we tell ourselves about money actually shape our reality. What if the real reason we stay stuck isn't low income or high prices, but the way we talk to ourselves about money every single day? Imagine your kids growing up with the same money stress you carry now. If nothing changes, bills pile up, dreams shrink, and financial stress becomes normal life. What if I told you the most powerful budget tool isn't in your wallet, but in your mind? Hi, I'm Betty, and welcome to Budget Betty. Here it's all about real tips, real moms, real savings. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss the tools and conversations that make money less stressful and more abundant. This video is for education only. It's not financial or legal advice. Today, we'll explore how moms can actually create abundance by simply changing the way we talk to ourselves about money. By the end, you'll see practical steps you can start using today. Stick with me, and let's rewire how we moms think about money together. Your thoughts shape your wallet. The words we tell ourselves about money guide every choice, just like a compass leading us on a journey. When we say things like, "we're always broke," we lock ourselves into struggle. But when we say, "we're learning to grow money," we open the door to new actions. Think of it like a GPS. If your inner voice says detour to broke, you'll follow that route. But if it says path to growth, your steps change. Science shows that positive self-talk retrains the brain. It helps moms spot opportunities like savings, side income, or smart choices, where before they only saw stress. For example, saying, "I can't afford it," shuts down ideas. But asking, "how can I make room for this?" sparks creativity and new solutions. Henry Ford once said, "Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right." Moms, the story you tell yourself becomes the future you create. Every time we say, "I can't afford it," it doesn't just stop us, it builds guilt that sneaks back later. That's when we end up at the drive-thru or grabbing that extra Target run. When we keep saying, "we're always broke," we start ignoring the little leaks like that gym membership we forgot or the streaming app nobody watches. But when a mom flips the script and says, "I'm in control of my money," something shifts. She starts tracking even if it looks messy at first. Here's the truth. 3 little phrases moms say the most can actually cost real money every single month. And when you add it up, it's shocking. Think of your money self-talk like the thermostat in your house. The words you use set the temperature for your financial future. When we change those words, we change our choices, and our dollars follow. That's how moms create abundance, not just for today, but for their family's future. Our kids don't just copy how we budget, they copy how we talk about money. The little words we say at home become the money beliefs they carry into their future. Instead of saying, "we can't afford that," try saying, "that's not in today's plan, but let's see what we can do." This small shift turns money talk into possibility, not limitation. When we dream build with our kids, like making vision boards or fun money jars, we teach them that money is a tool for creating, not just surviving. Setting family savings goals like a trip or a special project gives everyone something exciting to look forward to. It builds teamwork and hope inside the home. When money talk becomes less stressful, the whole family feels lighter. Conversations shift from tension to laughter, from fear to joy. Like Maya Angelou said, "Do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do better." Changing the way we talk about money is the first step to doing better for our families. A lot of us grew up believing that if we just had more money, everything would finally be easier. But the truth is, without shifting the way we think, more money often brings more stress, not less. Some moms see budgeting as a punishment, like it takes away freedom. But really, a budget is like a roadmap. It gives you freedom to know where you're headed and peace of mind along the way. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparing ourselves to other moms on social media. But most of what we see online is just a highlight reel, not the whole story. When you keep using old phrases like, we're always broke, it's like trying to fix a bucket full of holes. No matter how much water you pour in, it just leaks out. But when you shift your words, you shift your power. Saying things like, I'm learning to grow money, turns that leaky bucket into a strong new container that actually holds abundance. So moms, remember this: changing your money self-talk is like switching from patching holes to carrying a whole new bucket. It's not about more money, it's about the right mindset to hold it. Every morning is a new chance. Start with one simple money mantra like, I am capable of creating abundance. Speaking life over your day makes you feel calmer and more confident about money. Leave little love notes for yourself. Post-it notes with money affirmations on the fridge or planner remind you that you are in control and capable of creating change. Make money talks fun for the whole family. Try a weekly check-in during pizza night when it feels light and joyful. Everyone wants to be part of it. Celebrate every little win. Write down your victories, even skipping one drive-through coffee counts. Small wins stack up into big progress. Sometimes wisdom is simple. Like Oprah said, the greatest discovery of all time is that a person can change their future by merely changing their attitude. That's powerful, mama. Abundance begins with how you speak to yourself. These small tools turn everyday moments into stepping stones toward a brighter financial future. Every mom has a money story. Today, we'll share real-life moments where shifting self-talk made all the difference. These stories show that a small change in words can open the door to abundance. One mom stopped saying, we're broke, and started saying, we're building. That small shift gave her hope. And soon she noticed she was making better choices with her money. Another mom switched from saying, I can't to, I'll figure it out. That new mindset gave her courage to start a side hustle. And now she helps her family with extra income. One mom taught her kids the abundance jar. Every week they added a little. And after a few months, they had $200 enough for a family trip they'll never forget. We all feel the pressure: gas prices, grocery bills, unexpected costs. But moms who shift their self-talk discover that stress turns into smarter choices and creative solutions. Mindset is like turning on the lights in a dark room. Suddenly, what felt impossible becomes clear. Moms, your words can shine a path toward abundance you've always had within reach. When moms change the way they talk about money, something powerful happens. Stress, guilt, and endless arguments about bills begin to fade away. This shift doesn't just help moms, it shapes the whole family. Kids learn to see money not as fear, but as possibility and opportunity. When moms talk about money with hope instead of fear, they feel more confident. Instead of feeling trapped, they feel capable and in control. Abundance isn't only about dollars, it's about time, freedom, and choices. It's about building a life that feels rich in every way. Every mom who chooses to change her money self-talk is planting seeds for a better tomorrow for herself, her kids, and her family's future. Like Eleanor Roosevelt once said, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Moms, your dreams of abundance are worth believing in and worth building. Self-talk isn't just feel-good talk, it changes habits, numbers, and your family's future. Moms can create abundance not by earning more first, but by thinking differently first. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. It helps more moms find these conversations. Tell me in the comments, what's one money phrase you're ready to change starting today? You've been watching Budget Betty. Real tips, real moms, real savings. Remember, moms, you're not just managing money, you're modeling abundance for the next generation. Until next time, keep shining.